I want to say hi to all my families, like my two groups, meaning Choose One 2019, 2020, and my new group 2020 and 2021. I decided to record this video to talk a little bit about the routine that we have, especially my classroom. You know, motivate the kids to do activities and to focus on certain things. The first thing that I want to talk about is that sometimes we think that the kids are gonna play with a toy, or since they have many toys, they're gonna play and they're gonna, just stay there. But that's something really hard to accomplish. But the kids, they need to use their energy. So I think it would be a great idea to keep that in mind, so we don't have really high expectations when it comes to the activities or the things that we do at home. So basically the first thing that we do in the morning is we do an activity, like we put some centers out. So that means that maybe after you wake up and if you're trying to cook breakfast, maybe the kids can play with their toys, and maybe you can try to interact with them. And I try to talk to them, but at the same time I give them something to do, because they usually crave that attention. So that's, you have to combine toys with a little bit of interaction, and that's gonna be the key for many successful activities or routines. So if you give them a lot of prompting, now we're gonna do this, and after that we're gonna do the other thing. Or it can also be a reward system. If we finish breakfast, we can paint, and then mom's gonna paint with you, and we're gonna paint something, and then mom's gonna start lunch, or mom's gonna work a little bit, and then dad's gonna play with you for a bit. Teaming up is also a great idea. We're gonna finish eating, and then we're gonna go potty, and then we're gonna play, or then we're gonna, because we have to keep telling them, so they can remember, and so they can stick to the plan, and that way they feel like they're doing something, and it's fun for them when they're oh yeah, I'm let's do it. So the best tip that I can give you is music. If you feel like the kids are out of control and they're not listening, or they're just not really following directions, and redirecting them is really hard, playing music is just something that is going to help a lot. So that's for me my back to the game thing. So it's my trick. So I always have it under my sleeve, and I pull it out whenever I need it. Do another activity, you can paint, or maybe you can make them help you with something. If you're gonna make lunch, they can, I don't know, they can set the table, reading a book, and maybe talking about it, or singing and dancing, or one of the other or the other. I mean, that could be something that would help a lot. As in, if you have questions, we could do something on Facebook or something like that, or a Q&A or something, or we can chat, just talk to leadership about it, and we could work on that if you need help with something. I miss you all, and I hope you're healthy. I hope you're doing well, and like I said, if you have any questions, if you want to reach out or anything, I'm here to help. Just let leadership know, and we can keep in touch. Thank you. Bye.